Shotaro Kaneda's Akira Bike. Shotaro Kaneda's iconic bike from the anime Akira roars to life, thanks to the Barcelona-based creative studio, Bell & Bell. They've reimagined this legendary ride as a real, functional motorcycle, complete with all the neon-lit flair of the original. The bike features bright neon light tires and a split-open body, finished in that vibrant, unmistakable red that defines Kaneda's ride. Staying true to the anime, Bell & Bell included a range of familiar decals, like those from Canon, Citizen, and Arai, as well as the United States Air Force insignia, adding authenticity to this stunning replica. Before Bell & Bell's recreation, concept artist Ryan Hong also gave his own spin on Kaneda's bike, imagining it ablaze in a fierce red. This real-world version of Kaneda's bike captures the spirit and style of Akira, making it a dream come true for fans everywhere. Honda Moto Compacto. The Honda Moto Compacto is a modern twist on the classic 1980s Moto Compo. This sleek electric scooter is designed to tackle urban transportation challenges with ease, making it perfect for short commutes and last-mile travel. Its ultra-compact, foldable design allows you to carry and store it effortlessly. When unfolded, the Moto Compacto provides a smooth, zero-emission ride with a range of up to 12 miles. It can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, making it practical and fun for city adventures. One of its best features is the compact charger, which conveniently fits on board, so you're always ready to recharge. And with a price tag of just $995, it's an affordable way to embrace eco-friendly travel. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply exploring the city, the Honda Moto Compacto makes urban mobility easier, greener, and more enjoyable. ONO E-Cargo Bike, the future of urban deliveries. The ONO E-Cargo Bike is transforming the way we think about urban deliveries. This electric cargo bike merges the speed and agility of a bicycle with the heavy-duty carrying power of a van, making it an ideal choice for city deliveries. With zero local emissions, the ONO E-Cargo Bike is a green alternative to traditional delivery vans. It can weave through traffic and take advantage of bike lanes, resulting in quicker deliveries and cleaner air in crowded urban areas. Beyond its eco-friendly benefits, the ONO E-Cargo Bike is built for both comfort and functionality. It provides a smooth ride for the driver and has plenty of space for various types of cargo. Thanks to its innovative modular system, switching between different cargo modules is quick and easy, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of delivery needs. With a maximum payload of 280 kilograms, this bike can handle everything from groceries to furniture, making it a versatile solution for any delivery challenge. Yike Bike. Compact fully electric and foldable bike. The Yike Bike is a unique, fully electric, foldable bike designed for urban commuters and cycling enthusiasts. It offers a practical solution for navigating busy city streets with ease. Whether you're looking for convenience or a sustainable way to travel, this bike provides an option that stands out. There are two models of the Yike Bike. Model C and Model V. Both models come equipped with a maximum speed of 14 miles per hour, regenerative braking, and handlebars that integrate LED lights for safety and visibility. Riders sit above the front wheel on a comfortable saddle, designed to accommodate individuals up to 6 feet tall and weighing up to 220 pounds. Both models feature a 20-inch front wheel and an 8-inch rear wheel for stability and control. The bike's 313W lithium-ion battery takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge, making it convenient for quick trips around the city. While both models share similar features, they differ in design and materials. Model C is the lighter option, featuring premium color choices and a sleek two-wheel design. Model V, on the other hand, is built with aluminum and carbon fiber, providing added strength and durability. The Yike Bike is a perfect blend of innovation and convenience, offering an eco-friendly solution for urban commuting. Fun2Go Ski Bike, the perfect blend of skiing and biking. The Fun2Go Ski Bike is a cutting-edge piece of winter sports gear that blends the fun of skiing with the thrill of biking. It has a smart, ergonomic design that makes it easy to ride on chairlifts and eliminates the need for bulky, uncomfortable ski boots. You can wear your regular winter shoes and quickly step into the bindings already attached to the skis, making the SnowGo both secure and straightforward to use. Built with top-quality G4 components and innovative slat technology, the SnowGo is designed for durability and peak performance on the slopes. It's crafted from high-grade engineering materials and aluminum, all sourced from within the country. Originally priced at $2,499.99, the SnowGo Shift ski bike is now available for just $1,699. This discount makes it an ideal choice for those wanting to experience the rapidly growing sport of ski biking without spending a fortune. If you're looking for a fresh, exciting way to enjoy the winter season, the SnowGo ski bike offers a fantastic option to hit the mountains with ease and style. Monotrack Bike. The Monotrack Bike is a novel toy designed to give riders the thrill of a unicycle. It features a single large wheel powered by an electric motor, offering a unique and exciting riding experience for both kids and adults. The latest models come with improved stability controls. This makes it easier for beginners to balance and ride. The bike also has adjustable speed settings, allowing riders to customize their experience based on their skill level. Safety is a priority, with an enhanced braking system and a durable, lightweight frame. For better visibility, the Monotrack Bike is equipped with LED lights. It also has a digital display to monitor speed and battery life. The extended battery life provides longer ride times, making it perfect for extended play sessions. This innovative toy is gaining popularity for its blend of fun, safety, and cutting-edge technology. Screw Bike, a unique electric adventure. Introducing the Screw Bike. This one-of-a-kind electric bike is crafted by YouTuber and mechanical engineer James Brune. Its incredible complexity means it's unlikely to hit the market, but it stands out as an amazing feat of e-bike engineering. The Screw Bike features a self-balancing design with 4 inline Mecum wheels. These wheels are made from 3D printed parts and plywood. This unique setup allows the bike to travel in any direction and turn on a dime. While it may not be the most practical mode of transportation, it promises a lot of fun. James Brune is known for his creative projects on YouTube. He has tackled various inventions, from a walking Star Wars droid to a series of balancing robots. His charm as a video creator lies in his engaging building demonstrations and clear explanations of his process. The Screw Bike showcases the magic of engineering and creativity. It's not just a bike, it's a testament to innovation and imagination. Carve Walking Bike. A fun way to exercise. Are you looking for a fun way to stay active? Meet the Carve Walking Bike. This unique bike stands out because it doesn't have a rear wheel. Instead, it uses a gear-driven mechanism that walks as you pedal. At the back, the bike has 4 legs that move forward, imitating the motion of walking. This innovative design replaces the traditional rear wheel with a metal skeleton, and as the legs flex and extend, it feels like the bike itself is walking. The Carve Walking Bike is made of over 400 handmade parts. It took 7 months to develop, with assembling just the rods taking 3 full days. With this bike, you can experience a fun and exciting way to get fit. It's perfect for those who want something different and original. The Carve Walking Bike combines the thrill of cycling with the natural motion of walking. If you're ready for a workout that stands out, this is the bike for you. Fun2Go Duo Bike. The Fun2Go Duo Bike is a unique tandem bike designed for 2 riders to cycle side by side. Its 3-wheel design offers excellent stability and easy handling, making it suitable for all kinds of terrain. What makes it special is the option for both riders to pedal independently or together. This fosters a fun, collaborative cycling experience that's perfect for friends, family, or anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors together. The bike comes with comfortable seats and adjustable features, ensuring a personalized fit for riders of all ages and abilities. Whether you're taking in scenic routes or enjoying a casual ride through the park, the Fun2Go Duo Bike makes every journey enjoyable. If you're looking for an inclusive way to connect and have fun, this bike is the perfect choice. Owlet Bikes. Bicycles that are changing the way we ride. Owlet Bikes are transforming the cycling experience with advanced safety and connectivity features, making every ride safer and more enjoyable. Equipped with automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a collision alert system, Owlet Bikes let you ride confidently. Their ergonomic design, adjustable seats, and front suspension ensure a comfortable ride, adapting to your needs and making long rides smoother. Owlet Bikes also support sustainable transportation, helping you reduce your carbon footprint as you travel. With options to customize accessories, colors, and components, you can personalize your ride to match your style and preferences. Each model is equipped with GPS, Bluetooth, and a mobile app, keeping you connected on the go. From the Owlet One to the Owlet City and Owlet Trail, there's a bike designed for every kind of rider. Experience the future of cycling with Owlet Bikes and join a growing community of riders who are embracing this new wave of innovation and excitement on two wheels. Reevo Hubless E-Bike, a new era of electric biking. The Reevo Hubless E-Bike is a standout in the world of electric bikes, thanks to its innovative hubless design. This sleek, futuristic e-bike turns heads with its spoke-free wheels, giving it a cutting-edge look. The patented hubless wheels are crafted from high-strength aerospace alloys, ensuring both durability and a lightweight feel. But the Reevo isn't just about style, it also offers a powerful and smooth ride. You can choose between a throttle for pure electric propulsion or a pedal assist system that adapts to inclines, providing a natural, effortless ride. Security is a key feature, too. The Reevo comes with an intelligent motion detector that triggers an alarm and sends you a tampering notification. An integrated GPS also tracks your bike in real time. For safety, the Reevo includes automatic LED lights, brake lights, and turn signals, ensuring you stay visible and safe on the road. As for pricing, a 2023 Reevo Hubless e-bike, 750-watt version, is listed on eBay for $2,500, with local pickup only. Bunch Bike 4. The Bunch Bike 4 is a versatile and family-friendly electric cargo trike, priced at $5,300. It's perfect for transportation and recreation, offering a practical yet fun solution for urban living. At the heart of this trike is a spacious cargo box, made from marine-grade varnished plywood. It seats up to 4 passengers, each with a secure 3-point seatbelt. This makes it ideal for family outings or carrying extra cargo. The lockable benches provide additional secure storage and can be removed when you need more space. Powered by a UL-certified 500-watt DAPU motor and a 48-volt, 12.8 amp-hour LG battery, the Bunch Bike 4 delivers a range of 20 to 30 miles on a single charge. It reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for navigating city streets with ease. Safety and convenience are key features of this trike. It's equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, a 7-speed Shimano Tourney derailleur, and an integrated LCD display for easy monitoring. The adjustable handlebars and 350-pound load capacity ensure a comfortable and reliable ride. Whether you're transporting your family, groceries, or anything in between, the Bunch Bike 4 offers a stylish, eco-friendly, and practical way to get around the city. ICOMA Tatamel Bike. Starting this May, the ICOMA team will begin accepting orders for the Tatamel Bike, an innovative electric scooter. This unique mode of transportation folds up to the size of a suitcase, making it incredibly convenient. When folded, the Tatamel measures just 70 by 68 by 26 centimeters. It's small enough to fit under a table, so you can easily take it anywhere. But don't let its compact size fool you. The Tatamel is a serious vehicle. It can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. On a single charge, it can travel around 30 kilometers. The Tatamel bike is also capable of supporting a load of up to 100 kilograms, despite weighing only 63 kilograms itself. This innovative design offers an efficient and practical solution for urban transportation. The estimated price for the Tatamel has not been announced yet, but it promises to be an exciting addition to the market. Honda Riding Assist. The Honda Riding Assist is a groundbreaking motorcycle that highlights Honda's cutting-edge rider assistance technology. First revealed at CES 2017, this concept bike is designed to improve rider stability and reduce the risk of low-speed falls through its self-balancing system. What sets the Honda Riding Assist apart is its ability to maintain balance without using gyroscopes. Instead, it adjusts the front fork angle and makes subtle steering corrections to keep the bike upright, even at very low speeds or while stationary. This innovative technology comes from Honda's robotics expertise, originally developed for the Asimo robot and the UniCub personal mobility device. Additionally, the bike can autonomously follow the rider at walking speed, demonstrating its advanced balancing abilities. Though still a concept, the Honda Riding Assist represents a major step forward in motorcycle safety and rider confidence, especially for newer riders. Yamaha Majesty, Melted, Custom. The Yamaha Majesty, Melted, Custom showcases a concept called kodawari. This Japanese term means the relentless pursuit of perfection. It reflects an uncompromising commitment to excellence. At first glance, you might struggle to recognize this striking motorcycle as a Yamaha Majesty. The transformation is truly remarkable. This custom project highlights how kodawari can elevate even the most standard models into something extraordinary. In Japan, custom motorcycles are incredibly popular. The Yamaha Majesty, Melted, Custom stands out with several unique modifications. One of the most eye-catching features is its vibrant, acid-colored paint job. This bold choice grabs attention and makes a statement on the road. Another notable change is the suspension. This custom bike features an absence of rear springs. This design choice enhances its aggressive look and feel. Additionally, the Majesty boasts giant oversized body kits that give it a fierce presence.